Vivo X80 Lite in Europe? When is that? Let's check out more. Hello friends, give me to back again on my video villager price offer. Now come to your YouTube screen, all the stuff made by me or used by me through my villager price offer. Hopefully you enjoy it and like it. Now at this time I'm going to review about the information of arrival of the Vivo X80 Lite in Europe. Based on the news I've got here, let me check out more. Today, in the nation of Czechia in Central Europe, the Vivo X80 Lite was revealed. The phone's 64 megapixel primary camera with OIS and 50 megapixel selfie camera seem familiar. It's because it is only the Vivo P2 only with the different names. The Dimensity 900 chipset powers the Vivo X80 Lite and Tate. A consumer can purchase the 8 or 256GB memory console. The black and the gold hues with a fluoride AG glass on the back are also available in Europe. However, only the latter change color when exposed to sunshine. The 4500 mAh battery, which has a 44 watt fast charger and can fill to 61% capacity in 30 minutes. Wow, it's amazing, very fast. It is a very fast. About the feature, has not altered either. The phone is with us under the P branding, and we were pleased by its light weight of 186 grams and 7.79mm thin body. Is very thin body. It's really great. A fun touch OS 12 LSDR Thin Flash support for the 6.44 all AD VC cooling and IP54 ingress protection are further specification. The phone is available for pre-order from independent merchants. So it just costs you about $400. Oh my god, it's very I think it's not that too expensive about the price. It's very great. That's it, my friend, about the PVO Blizzard price offer based on the arrival on the Vivo X80 Lite in Europe, and hopefully it will give you a good enough. Hopefully it will give you reference which one is the best. I think it's really worth it these days about this Vivo X80. Okay, my friend, that's it, my Vivo villager price offer. Hopefully you enjoy it and like it, and I'll see you next video. Peace and cheers out.